All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I'm excited to launch this building in public series where I'm going to basically just push record and just kind of dive into kind of income reports on a daily basis, how my business is flowing from day to day. We're going to have the ups and the downs like all businesses, right? So I'll try to share my income reports from what I made the day before. I'm not going to put out a video every single day like on Saturdays or Sundays. I just don't record. And I'm going to be completely honest, I'll probably miss some videos, but I am going to just label it, this is going to be video 1, and then the next time I make the video, it'll be video 2, and et cetera, et cetera. I'll try to report what I made on the weekends. Like on a Monday, if I do a video, I'll also try to include the income of what I am making as well. Now, this was inspired by some different people commenting. I know we had Matt Jones commented a couple of weeks ago, and then we have over here Vasty Design said building in public would be a wonderful series for me. I'll teach you the ins and outs of what I'm doing to try to grow my channel, or at least recover it, because I do have over 10,000 subscribers. They are real subscribers, but my channel has gone through a bunch of different transitions. When I first started this channel, it was actually Amazon KDP, how to create coloring books and that sort of thing. So it was all about Amazon KDP, and I grew it to its first few thousand subscribers, was mostly from a low content publishing Amazon KDP type of audience, and it was actually taking off really well, but that was not what I really was passionate about. And so I did pivot into make money online and affiliate marketing and so forth. And so and then I also removed 70 videos from my channel at that point too. And so that kind of hurt my channel, and my channel's never really been the same since. So I'm going to try to see if I can start getting, passionate people that want to learn about affiliate marketing from somebody that's really making 6 figures online doing affiliate marketing. And so this will be the channel to subscribe to. I'll be completely transparent and honest, and that's just the way that I roll. So I'll just show you, what my thought process is behind the products that I promote and how I go about doing this. It's mostly all YouTube, some email marketing in there, and basically affiliate marketing and creating my own products as well. But that hasn't really been the big heavy hitter this last year. So really, I appreciate you guys letting me know about this. And we really got the inspiration from this guy over here. His name's Jackie Cho from, or Jackie Chow. Sorry if I mispronounced your last name, bro. But I'm just going to say Jackie from Indexy. They have their own service and so forth. Now he's been doing a building in public. I watched that one over there. That was pretty cool. I've watched some of his videos, but you can see I've only watched a couple of them. But a good guy. He's being transparent and sharing a lot about his business and this building in public series that he did. So I'm going to go ahead and roll with this. So I'm giving him a shout out as well. You can go check his channel out, Jackie. He's got some good content over there, and he's making a lot more money than I am. But his, from what I understand, is from niche websites and SEO and maybe some e-commerce in there as well. So how he's doing his affiliate marketing and so forth, mine is more like hardcore, like email marketing, building email lists, promoting products on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, things like that. I don't think so. Our businesses are very much different. So if you want to learn about how to build and grow on YouTube and do affiliate marketing, then my series will probably be very helpful to you. If you want to learn about websites and so forth, I'm sure you're already plugged into his stuff. Jackie is making a lot of money with websites. So that's kind of where the inspiration came from on doing this. Okay. So right off the bat, I have an income report right over here. And I just got done doing my accounting, and I'll actually go and log into that real quick just so you can kind of see that I am, I put my money where my mouth is, and this is real. I'm logging into my software right over here. You can see over the last 30 days, we're at almost 10,000 right there. You can see the expenses right there as well. And you can see it's broken down. The software does all this. It's really, really nice. But you can see over the last 12 months where we're at. This will say that we're at 100,000 $161,500, right? So in the last 12 months. And what I'm going to do is expenses are pretty high at around almost 40K. And in 2024, I want to cut this in half. I did have some big expenses this last this year, some like $5,000 purchases and of websites and so forth, right? So that's not typical things that happen. And I want to really razor thin this down to about 24,000. So that's $2,000 a month I want to spend on expenses. And then I actually want to grow my sales and my revenue in my business to $200,000. I'm a one-man show that, by any stretch of the imagination, there's people that are making $1 million and more. That's great and cool. But, I started from scratch. I used to be a director at my corporate job making $80,000 a year. And so as you can see, I've already doubled my revenue by myself, working for myself online. So this is definitely more than the average person makes at home by themselves. So my business has grown year after year since 2020. When I first quit my job as a corporate director, I was making about 60,000, I think, that year, and then the next year I made like 100, and then and so forth. So it just keeps going up every year, right? When you have a plan, a goal, and then you execute on that goal, and you just get closer to achieving your goals, then you obviously are going to see the results in the revenue as well. And then we can see at just this year, we're down to about $150,000 so far. There's a couple more weeks left of reporting. So hopefully we can get that into around 155,000 or so. So that's just kind of like my accounting software. I can go ahead and just kind of close that for now. But what I want to report on real quick is just kind of the way that it flows. There's probably some income in here that I'm not reporting on, but it really wouldn't be any major income. I do have an other category over here. I can hover over and you can see I have Udemy sales, a couple courses on there, Etsy, and Teachers Pay Teachers. So some of that low content publishing, that I sell on those, it makes me around $300 to $400 a month between those three right there. So I'm not going to really report on that. So basically I just took kind of a conservative number. I took actually the lower end of that. Right now, I actually got paid out really well by those, probably made about $500 this last month. But in general, even on slow months, it's about $100 from Udemy, $100 from Etsy, and $100 from Teachers Pay Teachers. It's like clockwork. Every single month I make that much, and I haven't done anything to those. So it is definitely an evergreen, set and forget passive income stream, because I haven't touched it in like 2 years. So I put that in there, and I just took 300 divided by 30, and that's why you can see that $10 there. Anytime I have something else that's just going to fit in this other category, I'll add it into the notes right here, and then I'll just put it in right over here, right? So I'm being completely transparent with you how much money I'm making in my affiliate marketing business right here as a one-man show. Right now I don't even have a virtual assistant working for me. It's just me, right? YouTube and good old-fashioned affiliate marketing. So December 13th. So today is December 14th. You'll see that up on the screen over here. So on December 13th, yesterday, on Impact, I made 96 software commissions. Those are just different softwares that I'm affiliates directly with them. And they usually pay out from First Promoter or Rewardful, and they just pay me once a month. So I made $89 in new customer sales yesterday. And then we have Warrior Plus. I made 157. JVZoo only 10. I usually have bigger days than that on JVZoo from a couple of products that are high quality that I sell quite a bit of those. Six Figure Freedom Club, if you don't know about that, that is a membership that I have started about 6 weeks ago. And you can see right over here, I have a $945 monthly. The MRR is monthly reoccurring revenue. That's what that stands for, okay? And then we go over here to, and if you really want to learn every single thing, get the brand new course step-by-step and all that, go ahead and just click the link below, and you're actually going to get a free training from me. I am also going to be, this is going to be starting off a brand new, fresh funnel. If you want to go and be a part of that and see this funnel, I'll share results from the funnel and so forth. But it's you're going to get some emails sharing real results, giving you real tips and so forth. And if you want to go and check all that out, but you also get a free gift. You get a free 25-minute training on exactly what I would do if I was starting from scratch today. If I lost all my accounts and I had to start making money right away to pay the bills, that video will tell you exactly what I would do. Super cool stuff. And then that's kind of how I'm getting this. This is based on my monthly reoccurring, and I'm just dividing it by 30 days. And so every day, if I get new customers, I'll just adjust that accordingly, right? So this is already, this is a brand new income stream that I just created, and that's yielding me $121 a day. That just didn't look right to me because I would need to be making $3,000 a month, which I'm making almost $1,000. So I went ahead and actually recalculated that at 945 divided by 30. And then now we have that calculation right there. So 32. And of course that will bring my total down right there. So I'm making $32 a day from a brand new income stream, and it's a recurring revenue stream, which is super, super cool. And then YouTube channel, partner channel, YouTube monetization or partner program. It's about $45 a day. That's what I made yesterday. It's actually what I made on the 12th. And you'll see when I come over here to channel analytics, the only way that I can actually look, I'm on one of my main channels, Hornwire. I made $41.64. And then I only made a few dollars on this channel. But you can see that the report is actually from the 12th. So I'm going to have to just include that, it's 2 days behind. And so I'm just going to take the last day, and I'm just going to use that as yesterday's income, if that makes any sense. It'll all balance out in the end anyways. And then what else do we got? Amazon Influencer Program. We got $17 right there. So my total of income coming in yesterday was $455. And I'll just go quickly show you kind of the proof. So I'm not going to do this every time, guys. Going forward, this is my first kind of a daily income report. I'll really just kind of go over this real quick and just show you the total. You can pause it and you can really look at it if you want to. I'm not going to explain everything in depth like I am right now, in the coming building in public videos. Okay. But we're in impact over here, and you can see I'm hovering over December 13th, $95.72 right there. Warrior Plus yesterday right here, $156.87 right there. You can see the last 7 days was actually almost $600, and I'm only just getting started with starting to promote more of these products, and I'm going to show you how to do all that if that's something you're interested in. Here's JVZoo, and then it was yesterday we had $9.52, so that's where that came from. You saw the school right there. Here's the Amazon Associates program. I'm not going to show screenshots of this anymore because I think it is not really allowed. So I won't be sharing this anymore, but I will in just this one video. We had $16.57 yesterday. And I haven't touched this. I haven't uploaded any videos in like 6 weeks. And this made me about $600 and something in November. So super, super cool. This is something I'm going to be working on a lot more. I'll probably put a lot more effort into putting out content on the Amazon Influencer Program. There's not a whole lot to talk about with it though, where it's just you record videos, you upload them to Amazon, and then they pay you. It's pretty simple. There's not a whole lot of technicality that goes to it, but a lot of people do have a hard time getting into the program. So I might have some tips with that as well. And then right over here, I have a lot of these, commissions that come in. I have them tagged in my inbox as a new sale, right? So I can go click over here. And then this is what I did. I went over here and I just went to December 13th. So I clicked on those three right there. I didn't consider this one right over here. So this one, SEO writing, they just paid me $1,500 for the month. But that is, I'm not going to report that as a daily income, right? I'm only going to count the ones that are like new sales right here, like $6 right there, another $6 right there, and so forth and so forth. And then right over here, we had this one, which is from the other day as well, that we put in here. So that's kind of where I'm getting my income report for. That's where I'm at right now. And then I just wanted to touch base. I'm only going to spend like a minute or two on this, but this really has to do with, and actually, the video is getting long. I'm not going to do that. So you definitely want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out because I'll put together some of the upcoming videos and so forth. Tomorrow, I really want to talk about when you're looking at products to promote, and you can apply this to any program, but this one specifically was on a Warrior Plus product. I spent 2 hours yesterday working on it. And then, the software ended up, I was actually impressed with the software and so forth. but then it ended up not working out. The software didn't produce the results that it needed to. And so then I pulled the plug. I didn't promote the product at the end of the day. And so in a sense, it was kind of a, you could chalk it up as a waste of time, but just really talking tomorrow, I'm going to really dive into that, show you the product, show you why I decided not to promote it and so forth. I probably still could have got it out there. I probably still could have made $200 or $300 on it, but I just ethically choose not to promote products that are not good for my customers. Don't want to create a bad name for myself or anything like that, right? So we're going to talk about that tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe. This first video, just to kick this off, is that I'm just going to start coming into my desk and pushing record and just talking about, I'll try to get like a subject, teach you something in the videos. And then also what we'll do is I'll go into the, I will go into each day like Jackie does. And we'll go into the YouTube studio, and then I will go into comments. As you guys comment, I will start answering your comments right here. I've already responded to the comments right there. But what I'll start doing is I'll just start responding to your comments right here. So you guys, it'll, evoke engagement. You guys will need to watch the end of to the end of the video so you can get your questions asked. So if you want to ask me a question about affiliate marketing or anything, leave those in the comments below. And then I will get to them and I will be addressing them in the video, just like Jackie has been doing in his. So thank you guys for the suggestion. I'm going to go for this. I'm going to show you what I do and how we're going to build up these businesses, how I'm running different email marketing campaigns, how I'm getting free traffic, how I'm going to also do some paid traffic, maybe some solo ads. I'll share my campaigns, share results with you guys. And if you guys like this stuff, just make sure to hit the like button, help the YouTube algorithm, make sure to subscribe and also comment below, and then tune into the next video so that I can answer your question in the video, and we'll just kind of operate like that. So thank you guys so much. And I'll see you in tomorrow's Building in Public series video number 2.